Well, what's going on, guys? Getting started here this morning, doing something a little bit different this morning. You can see kind of a different screen setup here, so you guys can get a better idea of what I'm watching this morning, kind of what we're looking at. What's good? What's good? All the locals getting in here early. I like it. Like the little merry gang of misfits. VSTM, yes, VSTM. Wow. VSTM out of nowhere, just big jump there. I actually went short here on VSTM earlier there at 5.44. I covered way too early there at 5.34, getting that 10-cent drop. Thought we might just keep heading higher. This actually has good news. You can see it went down there to 4.90, so missed out on about a 60-cent move there. Either way, still making a little bit of money here this morning. Getting a little bit of padding going. Kind of taking some of the morning jitters away. Making some money right off the bat. So this morning, basically watching a couple different things. Get some music on. Hold on one second. What's good? What's good? What's good, everybody? Good morning. Good morning. Sorry about that. Getting started here. So you can see, if you just now tuning in, got a little bit different of a screen going on this morning. Got a different look going on. Still waiting for my new monitor to show up. So I only got one monitor right now. So kind of limited. With only that, I feel weird with only having one monitor trading here, but we can still do it. We can still do it. So VSTM this morning, I was talking about it. I actually went short here, had a double top there at the 540 area. It pulled back all the way down here to 490. I ended up covering here because it was kind of bouncing off this 20 EMA, 9 EMA there. I thought we might keep heading higher. This actually has good news, but you can see it actually pulled back all the way down here to 490. Found some support there at the 490 area. Now has moved back up there to that 555 area. So, bang. Look at that. Big move from that $5 area back up there to 550. Another stock this morning we're watching is, what are we watching? Trivago. Trivago not really giving me any opportunity to short this morning. Just watching this $12 area. I really wanted to get that nice $12 test one more time. We never got it there, and now Trivago is down there to 10.85. So we'll see what happens here at open here on Trivago. Trivago might, TRVG might end up getting a bit of a bounce here at open once that short sale restriction jumps up there. We're right there at support, basically there at the $11 area. There's actually some support a little bit lower than that, I think. Yeah, 10.85 area is previous support there. So, well, no, actually we're below that. So yeah, we're below the support right now. 52-week low. We'll see if TRVG wants to bounce up, give us a better entry here short. But it looks like we're kind of at the bottom for now. I got that new LG 43-inch monitor, somebody asked. All right. All right. What am I doing? Need to be looking at some stocks. CBIO, someone called that out. CBIO gapping up this morning and pulling back here already. You can see it has some support there at the 365 area for now. Looking like we're getting some resistance there at the 375 area. So kind of in that channel right now. We'll see. Wants to bounce here at 365 area, back up to that 375. Fine. Resistance there again. You can see it got up there to $4 this morning so far already. Nice little pop from that 335 yesterday. Gapping up there to $4 there on CBIO. Another stock this morning, VYGR Voyager. Not a lot of volume here, but jumping up from that $11 area up there to $16. Somebody going short right there. 5,000 shares. Up $3 right now. Nice little move there. Whoever got short this morning. Or 750, 740. Somebody got short there. SRPT, another one they gapped up this morning. Gapped up pretty big actually, from that $41 area up there to 48. Had some support there at the $47 area. Looks like it's pulling back a little bit now, down to this 46.50 area. Kind of watching a couple stocks. What else is on here? VSTM definitely is the big mover of the day. Got 1.6 million shares traded so far. It's up 46%. Plenty of shares are short, so this could be a good short opportunity if it gets back up to that $6 area and wants to sell off there at open. You can see the last couple days, this thing has been trading below $4 there at the 375 area, so gonna be some profit taking. But overall, VSTM kind of bouncing. $3 area now in the 5s, so expect some kind of profit taken there at open, kind of like yesterday. Not as of crazy move there on INSM. INSM jumped up there at $30 area yesterday, and it came back down 26. So what's up, Ryan Wood in the house? Ben in the house. Everybody's in the house. There you go. Ryan making some money short there this morning. Nice. Always cool to see people who have never shorted before. I saw yesterday somebody commented on StockTwit, said they took their first short yesterday and made some money. So that's pretty cool to see. I remember my first short. It was a glorious day. I think I actually probably got lost. I think I actually lost money on my first short, but either way, it's still fun. Oh, VSTM getting back up to that $6 area, 575 right now. What is the website that I use to find gappers? Stockmarketwatch.com. Check out stockmarketwatch.com. Paid advertising. I wish. VSTM up to that 585 area. Yeah, definitely the easiest way to load up short trader account is with the credit card there, Derek. All right, so a couple stocks that we're watching this morning is VSTM right now, TRVG. Oh, gotta get my montage back here. Watching VSTM right now, back up to that 580. Nocturnal called that 585 area. I'll give it to her. We'll see where it goes from here. TRVG back up to that $11 area. See if we can get through that $11 support there. Resistance. There you go. Hitesh going from short to long, making some money back there. That's the best part about, if you do go long and the stock starts to drop and you have opportunity to short it, make some money, that's kind of a good plan. I like to trade stocks that have opportunity to go long and short. So if you do go long and stock starts to crash on you, you can't short it. Always a pain in the ass. So right now, taking a look here at TRVG. TRVG had bad news, but basically down there to 52-week low. Expected some kind of bounce here at open, probably. Get that short sale restriction to pop up there. Maybe get a retest of this 1155 area, 1150 area. 1160, really. 1160 there on watch on TRVG. And VSTM getting up to that 585 area. Nocturnal calling it out there. 585 short. Another couple of other stocks that are moving around this morning is RXDX. Kind of gapping down this morning from that $12 area down there to $10 right now. Not a lot of volume. See which way this wants to go at open. And FRAN also gapping down, but this, I don't think it's a real gap down. I don't know what it's doing there. It gapped down from that $7 area down to $6, but it's already back up there to $6.90. BCRX, saw someone call it out. I was looking at that one earlier, actually. Where's that at? BCRX there, up to that 570 area this morning. Pulling down there to the 521 right now. Not a lot of volume, but still some opportunities there. Pump the music up. My neighbors probably think there's a rave going on over here half the time. They're like, man, this guy's 8 o'clock in the morning listening to rave music. What is he doing over there? VSTM. Which software do I use to get those hot stocks? So I'm using Dash Trader Pro. You can see this is the top list over here. Yeah, I kind of trying something new out. I think I might have to cut it though. It's a little weird. The VSTM 5-minute chart here, back up to that 580 area. You guys excited for this hurricane? Oh. So you can see, I actually got one trade this morning so far there on VSTM, going short there at the 540 area. You can see there was a double top there, 545. Got filled there at 544. And got screwed there. So, well, not screwed, but ended up going short there at 544. Taking profit there at the 534 area. Got that $50 move, just a quick little $50. Here before 9 o'clock. I wasn't even planning on trading pre-market, but hey, I'll give a $50 every day, you know. Am I gonna leave Miami? No, no way. I'm not gonna leave Miami. I'm gonna stay. I'm actually in the 7th floor, like a big building, apartment building thing. Got impact windows. Got actually the building has a generator, so if the hurricane does hit, I'll be okay. TRVG. Breaking through that $11. Nice. See if we can just move back over this 1161 area. I'm using SureTrader Pro, Dash Trader Pro, basically here this morning. If you're asking about what, I know. Wasn't planning on trading pre-market, but sometimes an opportunity like this. So you can see, let's kind of break this down. VSTM. Why I ended up going short there. You can see I had a double top, big seller, big wick there on this candle, drop from that 545 area all the way down here to 511. Kind of built its way back up there. Could not get above there. There's a big seller there at 545. I just got right below that seller there at 544. Got a 10 cent drop. Oh, if this hurricane does get crazy, if it wants to go right through the middle of Florida, I'm gonna be live streaming that for sure. I got a little balcony. Maybe fly the drone through the hurricane. Check out the eye. See how that works. See if the drone can handle 180 mile an hour winds. We got about 15 minutes here till market open. Right now, the plan is watching VSTM here. We're watching, what else are we watching? TRVG. Looking to see if TRVG wants to jump back up there and find some resistance at the 1160 area. Maybe this 1130 area. Kind of watching right now, so. TRVG, VSTM. What else? RXDX moving around. CBIO. Possible mover this morning. Jump up there from the 335 area up to $4, but already back down there to 350 now. Not sure there's going to be much meat left on that bone. Would have been a beautiful short here at the $4 area if he got short there. CBIO back up to that $4 area. Had a double top there at 391. Breaking through $4. Finding some resistance there. And coming on down from that $4 area down there. It's at 375. Oh, let me turn that off actually. Hold on 1 second. Hold on. I think there was a noise gate set up right now, so you should be able to hear the music the full time now. Should be music, music, music all the time up in here. Even if you guys don't like the stocks that we're trading, you can just listen to the music. We'll turn this into a dance party. 9 a.m. every morning. Tune in for the hottest free copyright music on YouTube. So VSTM making a nice move from that $5 area. You can see it gapped up from that 375 area up to that 595 area. Finding some resistance there at the 585 area. So right now, VSTM, TRVG on the watch list. A couple other stocks that are moving around this morning is PULM. PULM had a nice move yesterday. PULM moved from this $1.85 area up there to $2.70 after hours. So nice little move there on PULM. Stock that I've traded a couple times over the last year or so. PULM, when it moves sometimes. You can see here last year, well, yeah, February. No, the beginning of this year, actually. Beginning of this year, PULM jumped up from that 50-cent area all the way up there to $7. Big run here. There was like a couple weeks of just straight pops on PULM that really gave some good opportunities. VSTM getting a lot of volume there. You can see the volume going crazy here on VSTM. So we got TRVG up there to that 1120 area. Somebody asked about BCRX. BCRX could be in play here. We'll see. BCRX just kind of dropping there. Not a lot of volume. Really kind of keeping an eye on VSTM here. SRPT. Talk about this one. It broke through that 47 support there all morning. Had that $47 support. Broke through it. Kind of bounced here off that 46.50 area. It's kind of back out there again. SRPT. A lot of room to go down if it wants to come down. Gapping up this morning from that $41 area up to that $48 area. VSTM shorting or long above $6. Well, we'll see if it can break through $6 here pre-market. But I think at open, if this thing really wants to fly, get through that $5.95 area, we'll see. So right now we got that double top there at the 585 area. VSTM kind of coming back down this 560 area. I'm not sure about FRAN. Why it's down this morning. So really the most active stock of the day are VSTM, TRVG this morning. Getting a lot of volume already this morning. TRVG, VSTM, SRPT. But the one big gainer, the one big loser with the most volume pre-market so far. If you guys check out over here on the left, got all these stocks that are moving around. If you want to check them out yourselves, check them out. I'm kind of keeping an eye right now on TRVG and VSTM. INSM. Yesterday, INSM, if you remember, we shorted this one there. I shorted it right here about $28. It got all the way down here to $24. A couple people said they shorted it here at the $29 area. So nice little move there on INSM. If you held it all day, well, if you held it till about lunchtime, so about 12 o'clock, it found support there at the $24 area. And INSM got back up to that $27 area. So nice little move there on INSM. If you went short pre-market, we talked about it. We were watching it. Everybody was talking about it. INSM, crazy 150% move up to that $30 area. Gordon, make $1,500 today on INSM. Beautiful. Just beautiful. What are we looking at? INFI popping up here. Not a lot of volume, but still jumping up. Nice work, Gordon. That's beautiful. $1,500 a day will keep the doctor away, I guess. Keep everybody away, really. VSTM pulling back here. See if we're gonna get this bounce off this 550 area. 585 double top, pulling back here through the EMAs. There, got the 20, got the 9, got the 9 EMA, the 20 EMA. Boom! Thanks for coming, Anthony. All right, so we're getting closer to market open here. Got about 8 minutes. I'm actually gonna change up my screen once we get ready for market open. I'm really gonna upgrade this channel, guys. We're doing it big. The live stream is gonna get better and better every day. So just keep tuning in, keep subscribing, keep helping me help you. What's going on, Tim? Everybody's popping up in the chat room there this morning. So basically watching a couple different stocks this morning. VSTM, the big mover. Oh, ZAIS jumping up big there out of nowhere. Not sure why. VSTM though. Jesse, what's going on, man? So VSTM breaking through this 548 area, 550. Beautiful short there at the double top at 585 if you were brave enough to take it. The game plan for today basically is watching here VSTM, see if we get some weakness going into a big spike here at open. Also watching TRVG. Not really sure what we're gonna get there. TRVG down to that 1080 area. Previously 52-week low, had that previous support there at the $11 area. But basically bouncing there off that $11 area right now. Dallas Rex, what's going on, man? Out there in the oil fields. Keep that oil pumping, baby. We need some oil down. Need some gas down here in Miami right now. Send that on over here. TAX, the tax. Not even on the thing here. TAX. Only 100 shares volume right now. Liberty Tax. Gapping down from that $13 area. Not a lot of volume on this stock. Not sure I would mess with it. VSTM. Alright, so we got about 5 minutes till market open. The game plan right here. VSTM bouncing this 546 area. That was previous resistance there. So that previous resistance turning into support for now. That's a bullish sign. We'll see if that wants to get back up to that 580 area. You can see pre-market high was at that 595, 594 area. So $6 resistance is going to be mental resistance there. Whole dollar, $6. Watching that $6 resistance there at open. Might get a big spike. A lot of volume so far. 2.6 million shares traded here on VSTM. Pretty wild one. TCON. Oh yeah. The gas stations are lining up here in South Florida. I got all my gas the other day, so I'm chilling with a full tank of gas. I got a lot of water as well. So UAL isn't even popping up there. All right, give me 1 second. We're gonna take a just literally a 10-second break. I'm gonna change up my screen here, get ready for market open. So give me 1 second. Don't leave yet. We're gonna do it right here. All right, we're back. Hopefully you guys didn't leave yet. All right. I gotta get my montage. What happened to my montage here? Uh-oh. There we go. We're back. VSTM on the watch here. Oh, that's always fun. Couple things looking weird here. Oh, that's fun. It's got this little thing right here stuck. Why is that doing that? Oh man. Looks like my computer's freezing here. Wow, it's still there. What is this? Having some technical difficulties here. Stay tuned. Just hold on 1 second. Let me get this back up here. All right, we're back. Now I lost all my support resistance areas. Watching that $5 area. Got this previous resistance there at the 545 area. We'll see if we want to crack through here. VSTM jumping up big this morning. That's the plan right now. It's up 43%. Plenty of shares are short here on VSTM. Got a double top there at the 585 area. And top of the morning there at 594. So got about 2 minutes till market open here. We'll see what we're gonna get here. VSTM and Trivago, the two big hot ones this morning. I think Trivago is probably gonna get a little bit of a bounce here. We're down pretty much at the low of lows. This thing has not been this low literally for years. Well, back in 2016, I guess it hasn't been around for that long. So literally, I think we IPO there at the $11 area. Got there at $24.50 and now pulling back down there to $11. So we'll see. Get an all-time new low below this $11 area here on TRVG Trivago. But just keeping an eye here on VSTM. You can see VSTM having that gap. Filled a nice gap from that 540 area. Big gap down. Now we're filling that gap up there. So basically filled this gap right here. So we'll see what's going to happen here at open. I'm going to get ready for it. This is not my 43-inch screen. That's coming today. I'm like a little kid on Christmas Day, waiting for this damn screen to come. 43 inches of pure glory. I don't know what's going to be like, but pretty excited either way. So VSTM jumping up here. Kind of watching to see if we get a little bit of a pop. Or if this wants to break down. So VSTM breaking through that 545 support. TRV also breaking down here through that $11 area. Had a double top there, 11.15. VSTM finding some support there. Whoa. VSTM pulling back here hard. Not really giving any opportunity to short. Finding some buying. Bouncing this 525 area right now. Gonna see if we get a retest of this 545 area. Turn that into resistance there. TRVG finding some support there at the 1070 area. Nice drop from that 1115 area down there to 1078. See if that keeps going. VSTM right here. Finding that resistance there at the 545. ZAIS up 83% this morning. Jumping out of nowhere there. 276,000 shares traded. Not a lot of volume so far. I'd be careful at this one. Big gap up. TRVG finding the bottom there. See if this gets through 1115 area. It could be a good long above 1115 for that move back up there. Possibly to the 1150 area. So keep an eye on TRVG. See if it wants to go above this 1115 area. Wants to move back 1120 area. So VSTM just not really giving us a good opportunity this morning. See if we find some support here. Mini heart attack. Got to keep that emotion out of it, Junior. Take it out of there. If you feel like you're having a heart attack while you're trading, you might be trading with too large of size. One thing that I've learned. If the emotions get too strong, you're probably oversized, over leveraged. Just tone it back. VYGR, nice little opportunity here. Still going down. VRGY. VYGR from that $14 area now down there to $12.56. Volume filling in here. VSTM back up to that 545 resistance. Looks like we found some support there at the 525 area. VSTM trying to go higher here. Grab some shares short there at the 545 area here on VSTM. See what this drop down back below this 530 area. Nice little short. See my entry there. There we go. VSTM back down to that 530 area. Beautiful. Looking for this move a little bit lower here. See if we get down to that 520s. 529, 528. Give me 100 bucks, baby. Give me 100 bucks. There it is, 120. And taking profit there at 520. Beautiful. It's going to go lower now. Guaranteed. But hey, You know the rules. Take profit when you got it. I can't complain about that. Getting that short there at the 545 area. That worked out just like I planned. Oh, there it goes. Back down to that 510 now. Beautiful. VSTM. Oh, it's a good feeling. Good feeling. It just works out. You get that top on that short there. I got short there at 545. The top on that candle was there at 548. So I was 3 cents. I had 3 cents wiggle room, but I don't think I would have got filled there at 545, 548 either way. And basically covering into this support down here at the 520 area. You can see it's going lower now, but beautiful. Going short there, only 500 shares. So I wasn't over leveraged. I wasn't really crazy. I didn't have a large size, but I still made over 120 bucks there on VSTM. And you can see my profit so far this morning, getting 2 shorts here on VSTM. I'm happy with that. $163. Remember yesterday I talked about how my goal was to make $100 this week, every single day this week, just kind of playing it safe. Remember, somebody actually commented yesterday on a video saying how, you know, is it a waste of time to make $100 every day? Well, if I make $100 in 30 minutes, I mean, 5 minutes, if I make $100 in 1 minute, that's a pretty good hourly rate there. So I'll take it. I know it's not the biggest P&L ever, but hey, I want to be green every single day. Like I said before, day trading for me is just it's a supplemental income. It's a fun thing. I like to do these videos and everything. At the end of the day, there's going to be stocks where I'm going to make a lot more money, but VSTM kind of choppy this morning, kind of bouncing around, but you can see down there to 505 now. So I took profit. I'm out 160. I'm up 160 bucks on the day so far. There you go, Jesse. Number 1 rule in the stock market: bears and bulls make money, but pigs get slaughtered. There you go, Isaac. I like it. Side money, baby. Make 100 bucks. If I make 100 bucks every day, that'll pay for my porterhouse at the steakhouse tonight. I'm happy with that. D squared. I agree, man. I agree. Really, if I can become consistently profitable every single day, make 100 bucks every single day for a year, there's no reason that I can't increase my size and make more money. Nice. Hitesh making some money this morning. I like it. I like to see people making money. If I don't make a lot of money, the cool thing is seeing other people make a lot of money. So that's the best thing. So VSTM down to that 510 area. Beautiful. The plan was to go short here at the 545 area. You can see kind of a triple top there, 545. It pulled back to the 510 area. What else is moving around? VYGR getting a bounce off this 1250 area. Up there to that 1350 area now. That was one thing I was talking about earlier. Not a lot of volume. This thing can squeeze. It can jump fast. So you can see on this 1 minute candle, it jumped from 1271 up there to 1350. So you got to be very careful when you're shorting these kinds of stocks. Make sure there's selling pressure. Make sure there's a lot of volume going on there, so this thing can't just jump 50 cents in a matter of seconds. ZAIS up there above $3. It's up 80% right now. Doesn't look like it's really going anywhere. Not a lot of volume. For a stock that's up 80%, you'd think there'd be a lot more volume. Might take a little bit of time. Some buyers stepping up there at the 1313 area. ZAIS. Sorry about that. Do I set aside money for taxes? Oh yeah. Luckily for me, I have other income, so I'm not just trying to make money to live on from day trading. I got to pay a lot of taxes for all the other crap I do, so it's never a good thing when the tax man comes around. TRVG, someone calling this one out. Bam. TRVG now just down to new lows. Beautiful short there, 1115 area. You can see just not letting it get through there. The shorts piling in there, not letting this go higher. That was talking about earlier. It was a possible long above 1115 and a great short there at the 1115 resistance. Now down there to 1045. TRVG. I can't believe this thing's... It's down 29% right now. I got a short sale restriction. But still, a lot of selling here. People waking up this morning and seeing their portfolio down 30%. And the first thing they're doing is they're selling. They're selling fast. You can see TRVG gapping down from that $15, $14 area, now down there to $10. So big drop there on TRVG this morning. Keep messing with my hair here. VSTM bouncing 510 right now. LTBR, someone calling it. I'll take a look at it. LTBR jumping up here, Light Bridge. Not a lot of volume so far. I like to see 500,000 shares traded before I really get convinced that the move is real. We can see LTBR jumping up from that $1.22 area up to that 148 now. Right now we got some resistance. Where we got resistance at? Resistance at this area here, 168. See if it wants to get up there. 175 previous hard resistance. A lot of selling there at the 175 area, 170 area. So if this wants to get up there, look to take profit if you're in there. LTBR, if this can't break through that 165, 170 area. So VSTM finding support there at the 510 area. So I wasn't that far off. I covered there at 521, and it got down there to 506. So I mean, there was 14 cents I could have grabbed. 14 more cents would have been a little bit more profit, but still green on the day. I'm happy with that. 2 trades today. VSTM shorting this morning. This was kind of the frustrating one. I ended up going short there at the 545 area. It pulled back all the way down here to $5. That should have been the one that I really held and taking profit lower. Be up, you know, $200, $300 right now. But instead, I'm only up $163. So it is what it is. Trading with a small account. I got to be out of here by 10 o'clock. Remember, I'm going to be done 10 o'clock. If you've been tuning in, I try to be done at 10 o'clock. So we got about 15 minutes here. We'll see if anything else really pops up here. But I'm not going to force it. Not going to try to force some trades this morning. VSTM finding some resistance there at the 525 area. Got a double kind of top here. 527, 527. So we'll see if that 527 wants to hold there. Might try to get filled again. Back up there at the 527 area. If this wants to go. Custom Box TV, give us the play-by-play over there. Nice short there on PLA. Check that one out. PLA this morning jumping up there to 5. Well, I guess gapping down, right? So yeah, this gap down this morning. I guess yesterday they probably had earnings. So PLAY play is in play this morning. 55.40 area, 55.50 top there on that candle there, right at open. Now it's pulling back down here to that $53 area. So nice little short opportunity there on PLAY. This thing is moving fast when it does move, so be careful. Not a lot of volume really, but it's still moving around. 700,000 shares. So VSTM 6.8 million shares traded here. What do I do for a living? Well, if you watch my other videos, you'd see what I do for a living. I do a little bit of everything for a living. A little bit of social media, marketing, videos. I run another YouTube channel. I make this YouTube channel, make very small amount of money. So if you do me a big favor, go ahead and like this video, leave a comment, subscribe, do all that fun stuff. Help me pay the bills around here. I gotta pay for all this expensive stuff. New monitors, new microphones, new speakers, new lights. See the blue light in the back? It all costs money, guys, so help me help you. All you have to do is just subscribe to the channel, like this video, all that fun stuff. It's all free and easy for you to do. I'm not asking for you to pay me $5,000 a month for me to turn you into a millionaire, but I am asking you to help me help you in terms of just doing that easy things. So VSTM really this morning, beautiful. A couple people, I think, who was it? Somebody called out 585 short there in the chat this morning. Nocturnal, I think it was. 585 Calling that top out. Double top there, 585. Now down there to $5. VSTM, beautiful. You can see had another top here at the 525 area, 527. Kind of getting stuck there. Double top again. So you can see basically as this thing is heading lower, just finding resistance every time. It's up. It was up 50, 40% pre-market. Now it's pulling back here. See if this $5 is going to break. VSTM. 7 million shares traded here on VSTM. Oh yeah, make sure you log in from the Czech Republic. I get $1 per view for some reason if you live in Czech Republic. I don't know why. What happens when I hit the like button? Steve, when you hit the like button, more people see that you liked it, more people watch the videos, more people tune into the channel. And you know what that means. More views, more pennies for views. So YouTube basically pays pennies per 1,000 views. So if I get a couple thousand views, make a couple pennies. So help me achieve my goal of intergalactic YouTube domination here. Trying to turn this channel into the largest day trading channel. It's a lot of work. And like I said, the pay is not that good. VYGR down there. That was one we were watching this morning. So basically, if you would have shorted either of the stocks that we were talking about this morning, you would be in the green right now. TRVG, finding that resistance there, coming down to the 1040 area. Beautiful short there on that. And really the big winner this morning, VSTM, that 585 area. You can see double top, boom, 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 heading lower down to the $5 area now. So please don't stop. Next, Logan Paul. Man, no, I don't think day trading has enough reach to get the Logan Paul status. I think not enough crazy kids that want to day trade. Just a bunch of old creepy dudes that sit behind computer screens and look at little charts all day. I'm one of those. I'm just not saying you guys are the creepy dudes, but I'm just saying there's a lot of that out there. Maybe if I had big tits, blonde hair, might really bump up my subscriber base. Maybe just hire a big tit, beautiful blonde to stand here and talk to you guys. Dude, pull Tim Sykes over here. Buy a couple Lambos, rent a big house, buy a couple, pay a couple models to be my girlfriends. Large trench coat. Wow, that's kind of weird. CBIO. What do I think about it? I don't know. CBIO. So you can see pre-market had that top there at the $4 area. Kind of bounced around. A lot of, look at all these wicks on this. These wicks on these candles, really crazy. Well, I guess that's just a lot of buying pressure there. Trying to get this to go higher. CBIO. Bouncing off the 350 area, now up to that 386 area. But look at these wicks. Ding, ding, ding. Oh, just the bottom of these wicks, really. 10 cents on these wicks. Just boom. Every candle getting bought up there on the dip. Look at that. Even the ladies agree. Wait, I don't know. Kim, are you a lady? Uh-oh. It could get weird here. TRVG. TRVG up to that $11 area. Finding that support there at 1040. A lot of volume. They got 5 million shares traded. That's what I like to see. I want to see a lot of volume. A lot of selling pressure here on TRVG. Got a short sale restriction, so it's going to be a little bit harder to short here. But back up to that $11 area. Finding resistance there again. TRVG down 28% on the day right now. Big mover. I actually was sitting there this morning thinking about shorting it a couple times. Thinking about trying to get short here at the $12 area. And then I told myself, I'm going to wait. I'm going to try to play this one a little bit smarter. And sometimes it just, when you play it smarter, you end up getting burnt in the bigger picture. So, VSTM. Spikes on no volume are bad. Spikes on no volume are bad because let's say a spikes up. Let's say a stock spikes up really fast. There's not a lot of volume, and then all of a sudden there's nobody else buying. Bam, you get a crash. So You want to make sure there's buying pressure there if you're going long. Make sure there's selling pressure. Looks like FRED making a move higher here. FRD jump up above that 650 area now. From that 590. Beautiful. There it goes up to 660 now. FRD. FRED. Freds. Up to that 660. Finding some resistance there. Looking at the daily chart where this might go. Got some resistance there at the 670 area. So watching that 670 area here on FRED. No shares to short it. So this is going to be a complete long. Volume increasing. Going for that million shares traded here. Whoa. FRED looking for this move above 660 here. There it is. Through that 660 area now. You can see FRED. Look at these big green candles going higher this morning from that 590 area up there to 662 now. Big buyer there stepping up there on FRED. 662, big buyer. 666 now. 670 up to that 670 resistance. See if it's going to get denied there or it's going to go through. Big seller there. 670. Trying to hold this down. 671 now on the ask. Getting through that. Oh, right there. Nice. Through that 650 area up there to 670. That was an alert in the chat room I always tell you guys about. One of the best chat rooms on the internet's on for the stock market. If you were looking for a just a great chat room, a little bit better than this chat room, but if you're looking for a alert style chat room, check out this baby right here. This alert there at 651. Look at that move at 950, getting in there at 651, and that move up there to that 675, 660 area. So beautiful alert there on FRED. Got a double top now there at 671. Just like I talked about, having that resistance there at the 671 area. You can see previously 670 resistance. That's kind of what we're looking at. When people talk about support resistance, that's what we're looking for. Looking for those resistance areas. And that's how it worked out. Right up there. FRED up to 670. Surge making 150 bucks there on FRED. Nice. Nice work. Check out VSTM. VSTM finding that, I don't know if it's a bottom, but finding support there at the 510 area. Might just kind of bounce around here for a little bit. FRED, beautiful alert there this morning. Up to that 670 area, getting in there above that 650 break. Obviously going to have that $0.50, 50 cents is going to be resistance. Up there to 675 now, FRED. It's up 16% on the day. Jump up from that 595, getting through that $6 resistance there. Moving higher, getting a bit of a selling here on that candle, but so getting through that 670 area. 670 area is going to be resistance there. From that 670 area, probably look for that move up to that 690 area there. 692. Buyer stepping in there on FRED right now. There it goes up to that 679. Big seller sitting there. We'll see if it's going to get eaten out. Looks like it. Buyer stepping up there at 675 right now. FRED. It's happening. Going for this $7 move. I get through this 680 area. Still, buyer stepping up there. A lot of buying going on. 675. See if that 675 support's going to sit there. I'm going to get to the 679 here. Looking for that 679 seller to get eaten out. Getting eaten out there through 680 there. 681 now. So breaking through that 670. Had a double top there to 671. Getting that move. Bang. Up there to 681 now. High. Beautiful trade here on FRED. Just like I talked about. It was alerted in the chat room. Do I ever spend 20,000 on trades? Oh yeah, I spend 20,000 on trades. I've actually had some really stupid, overly leveraged dangerous plays with about $50,000-$60,000 risk. So FRED up to that 680 area, beautiful. You can see on the daily chart, kind of looking at where that resistance is, you can see 692, 690 area. Actually 687 on that candle. So, you know, we're right there. 680 area kind of resistance. You can see on the daily chart. So maybe 670 was a little cautious, but you can see 681 there on that candle resistance there. TRVG calling out the double top here. TRVG trying to get back above that $11 area. Got a top now at 10.98. Got a buyer sitting there at 10.95. I think this wants to go higher. Getting some decent buying there on the bottom of these candles. Trying to get through that $11 area. TRVG down to all new lows, really. Below where it's ever been before. Down there at 52-week low at 1040. Does that look crazy, me zooming in and out of that chart? So VSTM bouncing here 510 right now. CBIO up to that 386 top now. 386, 386. 388, breaking through that 386 now. Let's check out FRED. FRED back up to that 681 area. Look at the buyers sitting there, 681, just eating it right now. Through 681 now, up there to 685. Remember, we talked about this one when it was below 650, right there at 650. A couple people called it out earlier in the chat. But you can see that move up there to 685 now. FRED, beautiful trade here on FRED. Wait, what is that stock? LTBR. Getting some more volume here on LTBR. Probably looking to get above this $1.48 area. Looking here on the chart. Got $1.50. LTBR. FRED. Making that move to $7 here. Trying to get through here. FRED. You can see previous resistance there at the 692 area. So we got a high there at 698 actually. So nice little pop. Trying to get this $7. Break through that mental resistance there at the whole dollar. $7 is going to act as mental resistance. And VSTM breaking down. Oh. So you can see I originally went short there on VSTM there at $5.45. It's down there below $5 now. Well, bouncing $5 now. So it never even came back close to where I went short at. So beautiful entry there. You can see found resistance there at the 528 area. Previously, 528 kind of support there, turning into resistance. 528, bang, bang, bang. Not going higher. Getting really kind of stuck in this 510, 525 area. And then finally breaking through there. And still holding at $5 for now. So VSTM. Look at that. Fred made $300 on Fred. I mean, the coincidence? I think not. If your name is Fred and you made $300 on a stock called Fred, should go thank somebody for that one. Nice work, guys. So VSTM, really the big short of the day. I don't know where she went, but there was a girl that called out 585 as a top. I don't know why she called it, but she called it out there. So beautiful. If you went short there at open, there at the 580 area, even 565 area, and have this whole move down here to $5, VSTM. Beautiful short this morning. We talked about it. We talked about the plan. We had the plan all morning. I know people are always like, well, what's going on? What's the plan? Well, that was the plan, VSTM, to short it. I ended up going short a little bit later than I wanted to, but I was waiting for some kind of resistance there. And you can see that resistance there at 545, kicking in there at open. Had a big drop at open, kind of bouncing 528, breaking right there, getting up there at that 545, going short there, and covering down here at the 520 area. The Fred gods are smiling down on Fred today. So FRED making that move up at that $7 area, just not being able to get through that resistance, getting a bit of a pullback here. We'll see if it wants to go higher later, but keep an eye on it. We got 670 to support right now. Kind of bouncing 670 a couple times here, double. So maybe FRED wants to head higher, but 670 area, $7 area is going to be a tough one to get through for it. And on that note, it's 10 o'clock. You know what that means. Time for me to go take over the world. I got things I got to do, people I got to talk to, babies I got to shake and all that fun stuff. What's that saying? I got to shake some babies and sign some hands. So I will talk to you guys. Video short, what? $4,000 on each trade. No, if you watched my video from yesterday, I'll talk about how I size in how many shares I'm buying, why I'm buying a certain amount of shares that I'm buying, and all that fun stuff. If you haven't already, help me help you. I literally hate talking about it, but if you guys haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, because who knows, maybe I'll do something crazy one day. I'm actually working on giving away a drone right now. I gotta get this damn giveaway done. I've got so much I gotta do. I got all this amazing footage from Hawaii I need to edit. I got some videos I'm working on. I'm working on some new videos right now. I think some videos you guys are gonna really appreciate, and maybe you'll hate them. Either way, it'll be comedy for you guys to watch. But my new monitor comes in today. I'll do an unboxing video of that, so that'll be fun. 43 inches of glory. My P&L will be 43 inches bigger. And on that note, it's 10:02 now. I've got to go. I've got a meeting at 10:30. So I will talk to you guys later on. I'll do a recap later. But overall, beautiful opportunity here this morning. FRED, VSTM, and TRVG all talked about this morning for the first 30 minutes. We talked about it for 30 minutes. Literally, that's all we talked about was TRVG and VSTM, the opportunities that was there. If you guys haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, leave a like, leave a comment. Thanks for watching. We'll do it tomorrow morning and the day after that. Make sure the hurricane doesn't wipe me off this face of the earth. It could, but either way, it'll be pretty funny. It's not gonna be funny, but it could be fun to open the windows up and just let that 180-mile-an-hour winds blow in here while I'm trading. Really get the hurricane scene going on for this live stream on Monday. But make sure you guys tune in, because we'll be here tomorrow morning, 9 a.m. The day after that. You know, it's no fun for me to sit here and talk to nobody. But on that note, I'm out of here. I'll talk to you guys later.